New to SEO optimization? Let's make it simple. In this video, you'll learn what SEO optimization means, why it matters, and how you can start applying it to improve your website's visibility. SEO optimization is the process of fine-tuning your website so that it ranks better in search engine results, especially on Google. It's about helping both users and search engines understand your content clearly. Key parts of SEO optimization include using the right keywords that people actually search for, optimizing your page titles, meta descriptions, and headers, creating helpful, valuable content that answers user questions, making sure your site is mobile-friendly and fast, and building quality backlinks from trustworthy websites. When all of this works together, your site becomes more discoverable, which means more clicks, more visitors, and more potential customers. SEO optimization isn't a one-time task. It's ongoing because search trends and Google's algorithm are always evolving. But when done right, the results compound over time. If you want your content to be found online, SEO optimization is a must. Hit the like button if this helped and subscribe for more digital strategy tips.